Heyo! What is up, Storm Survivors? It's your boy Storm 16. Welcome back to another episode. Today is the very first, I told you guys it was coming. Today is our very first mechanic episode to the series. So today we are changing my windshield wiper because if I can show you this, guys, my thing is completely broken here. It's completely out, and I've been driving like this for almost 2 weeks now, so I'm like, I'm done with this. So my dad is opening the new windshield wiper, and it is a 22 inch, guys. This is a 2014 Jeep Patriot, by the way. Ugh. All right, so here's the new one that we're gonna be doing now for the people. Like I said, I'm a budgeter. This was the cheapest one we found, but it's still a good brand. How do you pronounce this, Dad? Michelin. Okay. Honestly, I'm kind of stoked to see how this thing performs. Now we still are gonna leave the old one on there on the passenger side because it is still performing pretty good. So we're just doing the driver's side today because, well, one, that's the most important side. Secondly, there's no more driving with that thing, guys. There's no more.
This is how you know it needs to be replaced, when it looks like this.
Yeah. I drove with it for, like I said, I drove it with 2 weeks like that, guys. Like I said, don't do anything I do on this channel. So, trying to get a better eye. And so basically what he's doing is, this looks like you would push it in, but really you gotta pop it out just like that.
And then you gotta pull this completely out. This piece is garbage.
Alright.
That's what it looks like underneath.
Alright, guys, just for the simplicity of you guys getting this very easily, I'll replay that clip in slow-mo just so you guys can see that. Super slow-mo.
Word of advice: never, ever, ever use it like that.
Never do that, guys. No. Bad idea. Is insert the new one. I'm gonna get around here, my hair, guys.
Make sure it's gonna go in there. You line it up. There should be a.
There
the click. See,
there we go.
I was being too easy on it. All right.
There we go, guys. New windshield wiper, completely made.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Not safe.
Not safe. Hey, Dad, chuck it.
Chuck it where?
Just chuck it. Yeah! There it is.